Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing an unboxing. All of my 3 boxes came right before Valentine's Day. I'm not sure when you'll be able to see this, but today is the 12th of February and they have all arrived. Like, this very rarely happens. So if you're just as curious as me to see what's inside these boxes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Birchbox. Look at this packaging, it's so cute. Okay, and the first thing that I see, which is actually quite cute, is the Beauty Beauty blusher in the shade Pink Freesia. So this is what it looks like, and you twist it to open and it actually has a rose imprint. I hope you'll be able to see that. So let me just give this guy a little swatch to see the color, and that's the color right there. Like, look at my hand, it's so white. I got into my face, but I really like this color. It's soft, it's not super pigmented, which I actually don't mind when it comes to my blushes, but yeah, that looks actually quite great. Next up is a hand cream, and this is the Anatomicals Sometimes Love Needs a Hand Rose Hand Cream. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I really actually like this brand, Anatomicals. They provide usually just, you know, skincare, body care, or hand care, I guess, products, and they're actually quite inexpensive, yet their products are really good. So yeah, I love a good hand cream. I always use hand cream. I have one here, I have one downstairs beside my bedstand, I have one at work, so I'm constantly using hand creams, which is, yeah, it's great to have a backup. Next up, I have the Amica Reset Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. So this is what it looks like. We have a lovely travel size, and let me just read what this is supposed to do. Okay, so the gentle shampoo in an easy jelly consistency uses pink clay and sea salt to deep clean, purify and rebalance and soothe itchy or oily scalps. That's definitely for me. I suffer kind of from dandruff, honestly. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it isn't. I think it all depends on the day, but it's great to have a clarifying or an exfoliating shampoo to, you know, just get rid of the excess dirt, I guess, on your scalp. And I think this will work great, and Amica is a well-known brand, so yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. Next up, there is a lip product, and this is the Lord and Berry Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick in the shade Here and Now, and it is in a lovely red kind of color. So let's give this guy a little swatch. This is what it looks like. It looks more, no, it's a very bright red, and I think it looks lovely. It would look great just with a wing on your eyes, and then this, I think that is a look, and it looks great. I have some of these crayons. They work okay, I don't mind them. They're not my favorite, but it's good to have a red lipstick in that kind of format as well, because they're easy to carry and easy to apply. Next up, I have a product from spacemasks.com, and this is an interstellar relaxation. So basically this is an eye mask that you put on your eyes, and within a couple of minutes you'll feel it heat up as oxygen molecules in the atmosphere cuddle up to the mask's iron particles in a natural heat exchange. And what you do is you leave it on for 15 minutes, and then that's it. It has essence of rose and iron powder. I've never tried these. I have one of these in my collection already, but this seems so interesting. I have to take one of them down and see how they work, you know, put it on before going to sleep and then just freaking drift off and fall asleep in it, but you never know. Probably not, but you know. But yeah, this seems very, very interesting. And the last little product is the Vita Masks Lip Mask Plump and Repair, and this is made with multi-molecular hyaluronic acid complex, vegan collagen booster, mulberries and white cherry. So basically it is one of those gel masks that you put on your lips and they plump it up and then they hydrate them. I'm not a fan of them, but maybe the ones that I had tried just weren't good, and this one is. I really like the brand Vita Masks. Their sheet masks are actually really nice, so I assume this will be good as well. And a sneak peek for next month, we are going to be able to pick a Forgive Me Susie liquid eyeshadow in the shades Fairy Dust, Dancing Queen and a Love Letter. And this is what they look like. Now, I'm not sure which one I'll choose. I'll probably check online what colors, or maybe I'll just do a surprise me like I did with the blush this month, and it came out great because, you know, all these colors are kind of neutral. They're not really that fun, so I might just let Birchbox pick for me. Next up, I have a Glossybox. Look at this, so cute as well. It has the word love written in different languages, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the bonus product because I got an email from Glossybox saying that I have been chosen to test out, or they're gonna give me a treat this month, and the treat is the Glossier You perfume. So this is just a little sample. I'm not even sure. Yeah, it doesn't even say how much there is. I'd assume maybe 2 mils. I'd say so. Like, this is really small. I'm going to show you the pamphlet, that, like, not the pamphlet, but the leaflet that came with that little gift, and this is what the perfume looks like. I had never smelled it before, so I'm kind of interested to see how it smells. So let me give it a little spritz, guys. Okay, at first it smelled like nothing, like literally just water. But the longer I smell it, the longer I have it on my hand, it seems to get, you know, a little more scent. And I know Glossier You is a it's a unisex perfume. So it says here a little bit about it. So it is a creamy, sparkly, clean and warm. Glossier You adapts to your unique skin chemistry. An addictive musk with earthy iris root and spicy pink pepper. It smells a little different on everyone because you are the most important ingredient. So yeah, that's why it just smelled like nothing when I first sprayed it, and then when I go to smell it now, it smells a little more sweet, which I love sweet scents. So that's quite interesting. I kind of can't wait to just put it all over, you know, here, that area, and just smell it to see how it actually smells on me. And I might actually give it to my boyfriend to try to see how it smells on him, you know, on a man. That would be interesting. Next up is the thing that was sneaked peek to us last month, and this is the Fix and Rouge Wonder Love Charm Glow Elixir. So this is, I think they're trying to dupe like the Versali Unicorn Tears sort of product. It is basically a highlighting serum that you could use as a highlighter or as a primer. Like, it's just a multi-purpose product, and yeah, I really love the packaging, very high end, and this just looks really cool. I might put this into my Shop My Stash next month to see how it works. Very interesting. Next up is a lip gloss from the brand Floss, and it is called my new favorite lip gloss, and this one is in the shade App. So this is the color, just your typical movie kind of shade, but let's give it a swatch on the hand to see the formula. Okay, so it is on the sheer side, which I actually don't mind. I prefer sheer glosses rather than, you know, really intense ones, and it seemed to be very creamy, a little sticky, but that's fine as well because that means it would probably last longer. So yeah, interesting. The next thing that I see is actually from St. Luxe, and this is a lip liner duo. So we got 2 lip liners, not 1 but 2. That is amazing. So we have the shade Cupid and the shade Crush. The Cupid shade is the lighter one, so let me just do little swatches. So this is the shade Cupid, this is the shade Crush. They are the wooden types, so I wonder how they're gonna perform on the lips, but you never know. The Essence ones are wooden and they perform really well, so they might surprise me as well. I also got a brush from Glossybox, the actual Glossybox brand, and it is an angled brush. In the little leaflet that they sent me, they say this is a lip brush, but I'm pretty sure you can use it on your lips, on your eyebrows, or even on your eyes. It doesn't really matter. I love brushes. I love getting brushes. They're just so handy. Like, give me any type of brush except maybe a fan brush, because I don't use those, you know what I mean? But give me any type of eye brushes and I will use them. Thank you, Glossybox. And the last thing in my Glossybox was this Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. So yeah, in the month of February my lips are going to look bomb with all of these lip masks. This is great. I love this brand. It's also really good and kind of more expensive skincare brand, so yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. It's plumping and hydrating, so what more can you ask for? And the little sneak peek that we got, next month we are going to get an Ico Black Magic travel mascara. So yeah, interesting. Love using mascaras, use them every day, so you can never go wrong with a mascara. Okay, time for the last box, and it's time for the Look Fantastic box. First thing is another lip mask. I'm telling you, my lips are gonna look bomb by the end of the month. This is the Prep the Pout. Is that? No, that's not the brand. Project Lip Mask. Prep the Prep. So many P's. Project Lip Mask. I think that's the brand. And this mask is called Prep the Pout. It is a hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused lip mask. So this is what it looks like. It is your typical hydrogel mask, and what you do is just you put it on your lips, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then pat in the excess serum. Great. My lips are gonna look fucking amazing by the end of the month. Okay, moving on, we have the Nail Bay Origin Gentle Facial Toner, and this is an anti-aging toner. It has raspberry, marshmallow and marigold extracts. So this is what it looks like. I really love the packaging. Look at this wooden kind of cap. Really, really fancy. I already have 2 toners open. I have the Lacura glycolic acid one that I use sometimes, and I also have the Lacura Healthy Glow Rose toner, which I use more often as my everyday toner. So I'm not gonna open it until I use at least one of them. But then I also have my Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner, which I want to try next. So yeah, there is a succession. So this will be, I'll use it but down the line. But this is cool. I love using a toner, so yeah, can't complain. Then we got a little teeny tiny lipstick sample, and this one is from Illamasqua, and this one is the anti-matter lipstick in the shade Bang. I really love mini lipsticks because how often do you go through a lipstick? Not very often, right? So having a mini is great, and this is the shade Totally My Vibe. This is definitely gonna get used. Really love the size and love the color. The formula seems nice as well. It is a satin kind of lipstick, which is my favorite types of lipstick. Next up we have a face mask, and this one is from Filorga, and this is the Meso Mask Smoothing Radiance Mask. I had this before. I think I got it in a Glossybox. I didn't really like it. I didn't really see it doing anything, honestly. So I'm gonna use it, but yeah, that is just a meh product. Okay, next thing is a really fancy, because this is from Espa. This is the Natural Beauty Inner Calm Detoxifying Body Oil. And as you probably know, or as you will see in my empties, I am on a mission to finish all of my body lotions that I had gathered over the years, to be honest. Really, to be honest, years. And I'm gonna give you a little spoiler. It's been going great. I have been just going through my lotions so fast. Like, you'd think that these samples would last you longer, but honestly, 3-4 times max, and that's it. They're gone. So it's great that I have another thing to try out. You know, it's a little different because this is a body oil, but I'm sure this will probably last me a little longer, because you don't really need as much oil when you're, you know, moisturizing your skin compared to a cream. But yeah, this looks very interesting, and I'm kind of pumped to see something like that in the box. And the last product is a Birchbox HG Wonder Complexion Sponge. Now, I've seen these all around, you know, the shops like TK Maxx or Boots or stuff like that, but I never really picked them up. The reason why is because they're in this packaging and I cannot feel them. You know, I like to feel my sponges before I buy them, so that I know that they're, you know, good quality. This one seems pretty hard, but give me a second. I'm gonna wet it and see if it softens a little bit. Okay, so I've wet it, and as you can see, it has gotten a lot bigger. Like, it can barely fit into this packaging now. However, it's still on the stiff side. Now, let me show you a difference. This one I used today, and I actually got it in pennies. They had reformulated their sponges, and they're so much bigger and so much softer. Like, I could really feel the difference. I really enjoyed this one. But yeah, I'll use this one definitely. I'll probably put it into my work makeup bag, because, you know, I'm not as picky whenever I'm doing my makeup at work. It's just really just slap it on and be done with it. So yeah, I'll definitely use it, but yeah, from what I can tell, it's not going to be my favorite. Okay, and a sneak peek for next month, we are going to get the Madara Time Miracle Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. So this is what it looks like. Now, as you have seen in my current skincare routine, I'm working through an eye oil, which has taken me ages, and I still have a third of it, and I still have backups of other eye creams. So having eye creams again in my collection is like, when am I going to go through them? I only have 2 under eyes, and yeah, that's going to be difficult. But anyway, what can you do? But that completes today's video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I love doing these. It's just so exciting for me to get all these products and just test them out throughout the month, or in my shop my stash, or in a tutorial or whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.